Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Forester. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, Wi-Fi, hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touch screen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, audio, internet radio, AHA. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.